everyone. This is a two-strand twist on short natural hair with no rubber bands. So let's jump right into this video. This is how his hair looking before we wash it and everything. But I did want to show you the type of shampoo that I'm using by Carol's daughter. It is some very good shampoo and I just didn't want to miss this step. But let's just jump right into this video. So the first thing you want to do is just start parting off the hair like I'm doing right now and getting some clips and just getting the hair out the way. Now grab you some oil. There's some coconut oil that I'm putting on first, some Cantu curling cream next, and I'll leave all the products in the description box as well, and some shining gel for the parting. And then we're just gonna get right into what I do next, and I just section off in squares because we're gonna do like some square box braid two-strand twist. So you want to start braiding first about 3 or 4 times, and then you want to detangle the hair. And then after you detangle the hair, you just want to grab you some Eco Styler gel, apply it to the hair, and then you just want to start two-strand twisting. I will do this a few times so you can kind of get exactly what I'm doing. You should watch this video all the way through if you want the exact look that I'm giving tips and everything throughout the video. After I get through with the back half of his head, I definitely will stop the video, show you how it's looking, and then I'll show you some more close-up, better in detail of how I actually do this. So stay tuned. When you get to the end of the two-strand twist, make sure you swirl it with your finger to kind of give it a curly end. So once again, you're just going to start braiding first about 3 or 4 times, and then you're going to section off the hair into 2 sections, apply the Eco Styler gel, and just two-strand twist. Another thing, I did not pre-stretch his hair or anything, so his hair is actually in its natural state. And I'm just going to continue the process on the back of his hair, and then I will show you how it's looking, and then we'll start parting the hair in the middle and styling the side of his hair. So comment below which method do you like the best, with rubber bands or with no rubber bands. So just leave a comment and let's have a discussion. If you do like the method with the rubber band, I also have a video with this same look with rubber bands, so check that out as well. If you're liking this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, now we're finished with the back of his head, and the next step you want to do is start in the front and section off a middle part like I'm doing right here. And once you have that done, you just want to grab a rubber band and section off one side of his head, and then you just want to start sectioning off on the other side of his head. And I had 5 rows of two-strand twists. So here's a very detailed look of exactly what I'm doing. I'm just starting off box braiding about 4 or 5 times, and then I'm just gonna let go, and I'm gonna just box braid again. I'm just showing you can pre-box braid and then two-strand twist, or you can box braid then two-strand twist. I'm just showing you a different method that you can do. So yeah, here we go. Make sure you detangle the hair and putting that gel on there as well before you do the two-strand twisting. So you just want to continue the process throughout his head like I'm doing right here. I'll just let you watch. And if you have any questions, just leave me a comment. I'll be glad to answer any questions that you have. So once you got that section completed, it should be looking something like this. And then you just want to start on the other side of his head and start the box braiding as well. On this section, I actually box braided throughout his head before I started two-strand twisting. So to give you another method of if you want to know how to do that, and that's how it should be looking. And then I'm gonna just go back in and just two-strand twist the hair, and I will show you how that's looking once all that is done. This is how it should be looking once all the two-strand twist is completed. And then the next thing that I'm gonna do before his hair completely dries, I'm gonna just give him a fresh cut on the sides of his head. And once that's done, this is the finished look. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I'm gonna also show you how much bounce and body he has, so I have him shake his hair as well. Thank y'all for watching. Have a blessed day.